Hi, I am Teacher Paul. Today we are talking about different homes. Are you ready? Let's go.
What home is this? It is a sand shelter in South Africa, built from thin branches and long grass.
What home is this?
It is a slate rock house in Taiwan, built by Paiwan tribes.
What home is this? It is a teepee, built with a wooden pole frame and covered in buffalo hide or canvas. What home is this? It is an igloo. It has family rooms and bedrooms.
What home is this? It is a Xhosa hut in South Africa, built from mud, logs, and grass, often clustered together.
What home is this? It is a yurt. The door faces south, west for men, east for women.
What home is this?
It is a Korowai treehouse, built from natural materials like wood, bamboo, and sago palm.
Now it is your turn to practice. Click the link below and do the quiz. Goodbye.